Good morning, everyone! Today is a special day. We are going somewhere fun.
Good morning, Mom. I feel very excited today. I cannot stop smiling.
Today we are going to the zoo. We will see many animals. It will be a wonderful day. Really?
That sounds amazing. I want to see every animal. I am very excited now. I want to see the elephants first. They are my favorite animals. They look very cute.
We will see the elephants today. The zoo is very large. There are many animals there.
I want to see the lions today. They look very powerful. I also want pictures.
The lions are very popular animals. Many people love them. They are very strong.
Wow.
We can see them today.
Please wear comfortable shoes today. We will walk for many hours. The zoo is very big.
Okay, Mom. I will wear my white shoes. They are very comfortable.
Is everyone ready now? The car is outside already. We should leave soon.
Yes, we are ready. We cannot wait anymore. Let's go now.
How far is the zoo from here? Will it take a long time? I feel very excited.
The zoo is not very far.
It will take 30 minutes. Look, Mommy, the zoo! Look at the zoo sign. It is so colorful. The zoo looks exciting already. Yes, we are finally here. The zoo entrance is very big. I hear many animal sounds. This place feels alive. I am very happy. The fish are very colorful. They swim so peacefully. This place feels magical. Yes, the aquarium is beautiful. Look at that. Wow, it's so big.
So beautiful.
Amazing.
Wow, the elephant is so huge. I have never seen one this close. It looks amazing.
Yes, elephants.
The baby elephant is so cute. It walks in a funny way. I love watching it. Yeah. I want to feed the elephant carefully. Its trunk looks very long. I feel a little nervous.
Do not worry too much. The elephant is...
I think elephants are my favorite animals now. They look kind and peaceful.
I am happy you enjoyed the elephants. Animals teach us many things.
The butterflies are so beautiful. Their wings have many colors. I love this garden. Yes, nature is very beautiful.
Let's ride the zoo train now. We can rest while exploring.
This is so much fun. I can see many animals from... The sunset looks beautiful tonight. The sunset looks beautiful to now. The zoo feels peaceful now. Today was very special.
Would you like some ice cream now? You both walked a lot today. You deserve a treat.
Yes, please. I want strawberry ice cream. It is my favorite flavor. I do not want to leave yet. Today was so much fun. I love the zoo.
We can visit again someday.
The animal pictures look amazing. I captured many happy moments.
These pictures will become special memories.
Today, Ethan and Lily enjoyed a wonderful family adventure at the zoo.